Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete the captions you don't want on CapCut. So here I have a clip that includes conversations, and I want to add subtitles or caption first. So I'm going to just go to text, then click on the auto caption, just click on start. Okay, so in here there are lots of captions, and maybe like me, you want to delete a certain captions that you don't want to appear in the video. So here's how to do that. So you can just delete it one by one like this, or you can also click on the batch, add it in here, and then the captions on the video will be appear. Then you can choose which one of the captions that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete the last part here. Just click on the caption, and then there will be a trash bin icon, so just click on that, and here click on delete captions. Okay, and then if you want to delete more than one, you can just do the same steps. For example, this one, just click on delete again and click on delete captions. After that, you can just click on a check icon and you are done. So that's a simple tip from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you. Don't forget to click like, thanks, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. Bye.